Choosing the best indoor and outdoor security cameras helps protect your home with dependable monitoring and smart safety features. These versatile cameras deliver clear footage, strong connectivity, and weather-ready durability, making them ideal for year-round use whether you're home or away. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Blink 1080p Security Camera. The Blink 1080p security camera stands out as a dependable, budget-friendly choice for homeowners who want simple, effective protection both indoors and outdoors. As a like-new certified refurbished device, it looks and performs just like a new unit, yet comes at a more affordable price. This fourth-generation Blink outdoor camera delivers crisp 1080p HD live view, clear two-way audio, and reliable infrared night vision, all accessible through the Blink app. Its wire-free design allows fast installation anywhere you need coverage, while the included AA lithium batteries offer an impressive 2-year lifespan, reducing the hassle of frequent replacements. Enhanced motion detection with dual-zone technology ensures faster and more accurate alerts right on your smartphone, giving you added confidence in monitoring activity around your home. For users who want more specific alerts, person detection is available through an optional Blink subscription plan. Storage flexibility is another strong advantage. Store clips in the cloud with a 30-day free trial, or use the included sync module too for local storage with a USB drive. Overall, this camera is an excellent fit for anyone seeking strong performance, long battery life, easy setup, and dependable home monitoring without unnecessary complexity. Number 2. Blink Live View Security Camera. The Blink Live View Security Camera offers a smooth and practical way to secure your home with clear visuals and reliable wireless performance. As part of Blink's 4th-generation outdoor series, it works seamlessly both indoors and outside, delivering a clear 1080p HD live view and infrared night vision that helps you see exactly what's happening day or night. Two-way audio adds convenience by letting you listen and communicate directly through the Blink app. One of the biggest strengths is its long battery life, up to 2 years on the included AA lithium batteries, making it an ideal hands-off security option. The enhanced dual-zone motion detection sends faster and more accurate alerts, while optional person detection provides smarter notifications through a Blink subscription plan. When it comes to storage, users can choose cloud recording with a free 30-day trial, or keep everything local using the sync module 2 and a USB drive. This model also works exceptionally well with Alexa, allowing hands-free viewing on Echo Show, instant alerts, voice controls, and two-way communication. With its reliable performance, strong ecosystem support, and hassle-free setup, this camera is a convenient and versatile choice for everyday home security. Number 3. Aosu 360-degree Security Camera. The Aosu 360-degree security camera offers a highly advanced and flexible home security solution designed for users who demand wide coverage, long-term reliability, and smart tracking capabilities. Its new 2nd-generation home base supports up to 6 cameras and provides 100% local video storage with no subscription fees. With 32 gigabytes of included storage, expandable to 1 terabyte, you can preserve years of recorded events while keeping your data secure, even if the camera itself is damaged. The standout feature is its full 360-degree pan and tilt coverage, paired with smart auto tracking. This ensures every movement is followed and recorded without blind spots, giving you a complete view of your property. The upgraded 5MP Ultra HD resolution delivers stunning clarity, offering roughly 40% sharper detail than typical 2K cameras, while the enhanced night vision captures clear footage even in complete darkness. Its solar-powered design ensures year-round operation with as little as 3 hours of daily sunlight, and the battery performs reliably even at low temperatures. Installation is simple and wire-free, mounted in minutes with just 3 drilled holes. With its powerful features, long-lasting storage options, and hands-off maintenance, this camera is ideal for those who want dependable, high-performance home monitoring. Number 4. The WYZE V3 Security Camera. The WYZE V3 security camera delivers impressive versatility and performance at a price point that makes it one of the most appealing options for indoor and outdoor surveillance. With full 1080p clarity, 360-degree panning, and 180-degree tilt, it provides broad coverage,
and lets you set 4 custom waypoints for automated room scanning, an excellent feature for monitoring large areas. The standout advantage is its colored night vision, which produces vivid, detailed video even in dim environments, making it ideal for driveways, yards, and indoor rooms with low lighting. AI-powered motion tracking allows the camera to follow pets, children, or unexpected activity smoothly and accurately. Its IP65 weather resistance adds durability against rain and temperature changes, though an outdoor power adapter is required for exterior use. Clear two-way audio lets you talk to pets, greet visitors, or warn intruders with ease. Storage options are flexible. Use a microSD card for continuous local recording, or choose WYZE Cam Plus for cloud backups. With strong performance, wide coverage, and user-friendly features, the WYZE V3 stands out as a reliable and feature-rich security camera for everyday home protection.
Number 5. Arlo 2K Security Camera. The Arlo 2K Security Camera is designed for homeowners who want detailed video quality, fast alerts, and convenient wireless installation. It captures sharp 2K resolution video with a wide 130-degree field of view, giving you clear, reliable visibility of your home, yard, or entryways. Its wireless and rechargeable design makes setup quick and flexible, allowing placement virtually anywhere without dealing with cables. Smart detection takes monitoring a step further by identifying people, vehicles, pets, and packages, helping reduce unnecessary alerts while keeping you aware of what matters most. You also get animated previews sent directly to your phone so you can see what's happening without unlocking your device. The included 1-month secure plan trial adds features like 60-day video history, emergency response, activity zones, and enhanced detection tools. The built-in siren and quick response features allow you to react instantly when needed. Clear, smooth video combined with dependable dual-band Wi-Fi ensures stable performance throughout daily use. Whether you're checking in on kids playing outside or confirming package delivery, this camera offers an excellent mix of clarity, convenience, and smart security features that make home monitoring simple and effective. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon to